Today's project is a nod to A Nightmare Before Christmas. Follow along to make these spooky Jack lanterns. You need glass vases, tea lights, black flowers, black vinyl adhesive, and a cutting machine. The machine is optional but does make cutting out Jack's face easier. Once I had the face cut out, I removed the excess material. I added the face on using Cricut transfer tape. Add the flowers or your favorite Halloween candy and your lanterns are complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.